No parole for tape.
Okay.
No parole for tape.
So.
No parole for tape. None.
Okay.
Mr. Tate is not getting parole because of anger issues. That's what's going on here. No parole.
Obscene language, calling her a fucking clown, a fucking cracker, a fucking cracker, a fucking cracker, and a fucking monkey. You also stated I should have just fucking whooped your fucking ass with fucking cuffs off, and she's lucky I didn't crack her fucking head. Based on your actions, you are in violation of Connecticut General Statute 53A-181, breach of peace in the second.
Constitutional adjustment. You would have been pissed off too. You would have been mad if you would have been sitting in jail for a crime that you didn't commit. Because guess what? This ain't my first time. This ain't my first time spending in jail for a crime that I didn't commit. You know, and I don't expect you to understand that because you're a paper pusher.
That it's up to the parole board. So you're all set for today, and you'll know, like I said, about a week after March 14th. So I wish you the best of luck.
When people kill themselves because of you, that's on you.
I don't like I said, it doesn't mean shit if I get paroled or not. If I go home today or in a week, if I go home in 4, if I go back and you can't tell me I've never done this. If I lay in bed sometimes, I think about all the fucked up things I've done in my life. I'm like, bro, like I deserve more time. Let's be realistic. I probably deserve more time.
Out of a couple of buildings and then with the potato in the car, you know.
Can you tell us why you're in a yellow jumpsuit?
Because when I had got extradited here from New York, car in front of you, car in back of you, and it's just a lot. So when they took me to the hospital, it was only one officer with no firearm, and it was no escort, nothing. So, and they shot
the first error. You saw an opportunity where you could leave. You were expressing to your.
There's an allegation that the client may have been masturbating. That is not a crime to masturbate. Nowhere in our law is that deemed a crime. And under the elements, I will obey all laws. I must prove the elements of the crime alleged. There is no crime. There's no statute.
What did you do with this money, with this $10,000 that you got for these Rolexes at the pawn shop?
I didn't receive $10,000.
What did you get?
We got $600.
Wow. And what did you do with the money? My co-defendant took the money. And what's to do with it?
She probably got high with it.
All right.
You mean when am I leaving?
Well, May 9th is the recommended date. So the parole board's got to vote. The parole board's going to vote next week on the 21st.
You're kidding me.
That concludes the hearing. You're all set, sir.
Go fuck yourself.
Well, you might not believe it if you didn't see it, but there's something in the water in Connecticut because the hearings are pretty wild. More than half of you aren't subscribed to my second channel where I covered these Connecticut parole hearings, so please check it out in the link below. And with that, I'll let you go.
What's up out there, fans? Like the videos, share them, see if you can get them out there. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon on stage and we'll rock it out. Just remember, you'll be seeing a guy with a big hat, 1970 model resistol, old school. That's the way I like to roll. There again, just get in touch with me via Facebook. There again, I can't get in touch with, I can't return everybody's message, so please be patient. But it does help me. It does give me the drive to keep going and make my fans happy because that's what I want to do.